Hey, howdy everyone. Today I'm going to start cutting up that pine I had delivered the other day, and I'm going to cut some 1.5 inch thick by 6 inch wide boards that I'm going to use for decking. My front porch and my back deck need to be redone. The boards are all weathered and cracked and splintering, and they just need to be completely reworked. So I think I counted up, I need 51 boards on the back, and I need 12 for the front. So 63 total. I'm gonna see how many I get out of this first one and then kind of evaluate from there. Also, on a quick side note, I just passed over 100 subscribers the other day, so I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for subscribing, and just know that I really do appreciate it. You guys are all awesome. Thank you. I'm gonna set you up over here and we'll cut through this first log and just sit back and enjoy the process. So this cut is 6 inches deep, and that's just so I can handle this log a little easier. It's a little bigger than I normally saw. Normally I try and keep them to about 8 feet long, and this particular one is about 13.5 feet if I remember correctly. I got so excited to cut these boards that I didn't take my next cut on this cant. So this is actually 7 inches wide boards I'm going to be cutting instead of 6. Whoops. Hey, coming up here in a little bit, I'm going to be telling y'all what's going on with my lumber scale that came with the mill. And I'm not sure if I'm using it correctly. It doesn't seem to be giving me the most accurate results. So if anybody has any comments or suggestions on how I could use it more efficiently or in a better way, please feel free to let me know in the comments. All right, so I wanted to show you guys something. I'm kind of frustrated, but at the same time I'm learning still. So this right here is a magnet, you can see, and it's got, if I want to do 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 8/4 lumber, and you can set it right on top of your normal scale here. So you make your first cut, and then you can put this magnet on here and put that little line. Here, let me show you what I'm talking about here. Then you can put that little line up where it says 6/4 right there, like that. And then when you go to do your next cut, you can drop it down to the next one that says 6/4. You don't know if you can see it there or not. But anyways, I think I tried to get it lined up with the edge. I tried to get it lined up with the edge, but it doesn't seem to be straight because my cuts are off by a 1/16.